Be better getting a big shop, you know that?
Aye. Right, they're going for it now. There's a bike coming, Jesus fuck. I'm just hanging back for these guys, like, because one of them nearly hit another bike head on doing an overtake, yeah. Wee twisty roads.
Okay then, nice surface.
Aye, the road surface is actually quite good, eh?
Why the heck the Mercedes is braking?
She's an idiot.
Some fucking rails going around corners.
I know.
So what else is opinion of it?
Aye, same here.
Guys, you can get the ferry from Oban to Boston.
Uh-huh. Aye, last time I went to Oban, I came back as a married man.
Alright, boy.
Well, I was still a boy. 27.
It's lovely here, isn't it?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You want to pull in that lay-by, Alec, and let them go? 'Cause I've got earplugs in, and it's getting noisy. Well,
Jump to gear then.
you're a bad man.
You want to go now?
Aye. Aye, we'll go now, because they'll be away. Right, on you go.
Bridge. Little bridge.
Narrow bridge.
Hello, bridge.
Hello. Oh, that's just bliss, my ears.
Right.
Lovely, eh?
See? Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look, rodded.
Lovely, eh?
That's suspended, isn't it?
Aye. You all know that you like suspenders.
Right. Nice and quiet as well, isn't it?
Aye. Absolutely no rush.
I couldn't do it without the top box.
Oh no, no. That look, the top box looks cool on that bike.
It only cost me 60.1.
Yeah. What's mine? 65.6. Better than the 34 with the Bandit, eh?
Right.
Since we've set off this morning, I've done 103 miles.
Done.
103. That's from my house.
I've got 106.9.
Yeah. Because you're 4 miles away from me, yeah. I've still got 212 miles of range left in the tank.
Oh, 320.
Be interesting to see how much the fuel is out here, eh? Bet it's not that bad.
Could it be cheaper?
Probably. It's a
32.
aye, it is a lot cheaper. 7p cheaper. It's 139.
That's ridiculous, isn't it?
I know. Oh, I could live here like. I could live out here. Boobs. Nice wee arched railway bridge.
No bridge.
Lovely, eh?
I can't remember the last time I was in here. It's fucking ages ago.
It was 22 years ago for me. Just over 22 years ago.
You never been back since?
No.
What made you get married in Oban?
Because Michelle's for the West, eh? And that's where she wanted to get married, so that's where I went. And we used my classic Austin A60 Cambridge as a wedding car.
Yeah.
Aye, I got my mate to drive it, eh?
Yeah, cool.
It was Dominican blue with old English white flash down the side of it.
What?
And the car was immaculate, eh? Absolutely immaculate. But I fell in hard times and I had to sell it.
Oh,
Gutted. Cracking, eh? Check that wee bridge out up there, Alec.
cool, eh?
No,
This is Connell.
Connell, no far now, Alec. Not far now.
Look at the views I've got, eh?
I know, eh? Absolutely cracking, eh? Right, it's certainly nice, eh? Hello, Brigio. Looks old. Imagine having one of these houses here and overlooking that,
Beautiful, eh? The post is making picturesque, eh?
Aye. What MPG am I getting? 116 miles, 67.1 to the gallon. 67.1 miles to the gallon.
60.1.
It's alright, eh?
What's up this size, aye, the age of it?
Definitely.
01, this is shown on.
Loud and clear. That says it Oban. We have arrived in Oban. Oban 1 to Oban 2.
What's it called?
No road markings, it's alright, we don't need road markings, we know where we're going.
Markets are under. I think up to the other hotel there, no one else like.
We stayed in a guest house, a B&B, and the guy that owned the B&B when we came here to get married, he was an amateur photographer. and he says, have you got a photographer? I went, no. I says, we've no money, we're just a young couple, eh? And he done the photos for us. I don't think he charged us either.
That's right, eh?
They were cracking photos, eh? And all we paid for was the B&B, yeah.
Think back house, can you ever,
We were just a young couple, eh? We just no longer had the mortgage, and we were still trying to furnish the house, you know, because coming from a 1-bedroom flat into a 3-bedroomed house, eh? I don't know if you want to get round these, Alec, because this is queued up for quite a while.
where do we go now? Left.
Aye. Just head into the high
Go to the
street
beach. Go down the right, go to the beach.
if you want.
I can get something at the beach, wouldn't you?
I'd imagine so, eh?
Right now.
Better view down here, eh?
Trying to go left.
Ah, we need to go back up then and come in the other side. I'll get through there.
What's it there, balance?
Why is it so busy?
Yes. They're not busy coming in, now is it?
No, but where have they all come from? Where have they all gone to?
They just come down the Oban.
Well, they should do, because I'm coming to bloody Oban.
This way here. You smell the McDonald's.
Smell something.
These ninjas fucking past.
Aye, let them by. On yous go, boys. Fill your boots. On you go.
Look, this place is here.
I know. Look at it. Lovely wee place, so eh? Just far too busy.
This.
Isn't as busy as this one. I was last year.
Yeah.
Aye.
Really did this up, did it? Fucking pull it in.
Aye, we can pull it out. I think what these guys are doing, eh?